The tiny bee.
Hi everyone. My name's Sam. I am a boy and I am 5 years old. I live with my family. I love my family. I have one small sister. I go to school every day. My school is near my house. My teacher is very kind. I have many friends at school. My best friend is Ryan. We play together during recess. I like to learn new things. I love to read books. My favorite color is blue. My favorite fruit is mango. I love to eat pizza. I like to draw pictures. I enjoy coloring. I have a pet dog. My dog's name is Fluffy. I play with Fluffy every day. I like to play with toys. My favorite toy is a car. I like to ride my bicycle. I love to go to the park. I like to swing and slide. I like to play football. I enjoy watching cartoons. My favorite cartoon is Peppa Pig. I like to sing songs. I love dancing with my sister. I enjoy listening to stories. My favorite story is about animals. I like to play games on my tablet. I help my mom at home. I clean my room every day. I like to water the plants. I love to go shopping with my dad. I enjoy eating ice cream. My favorite flavor is chocolate. I love to celebrate my birthday. I enjoy playing with my friends. I like to share my toys with others. I say thank you and please. I always listen to my parents. I go to bed early every night. I brush my teeth twice a day. I love to learn and have fun. I am a happy and friendly boy.
Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.